Hey, what's going on? Caucasian Mark here, whitest dude on the internet. Today we're talking about links. There's not a heck of a whole lot to them, but they are important to have. Every website uses them. And they're also super important because say you want a website that's more than one page, it is important to know how to get users from one page to another in the directory. So let's start here. Let's just make a p tag here. It says click me. Now if we save that, we have that there, nothing's going on. So let's do something like this. We have the A tag there. Let's just crop that out, bring it on in, and let's say we want to go to google.com. Right? Click on it. It cannot get Google. Now this is important because get is a method that's it's taking a request. The browser's taking a request from us, and it can't get that website. Now why is that? When you're coding, not when you're coding, but when you type a website up here, www.google, it's doing the HTTP : / for you. But when we do it, we have to do it manually. So if we come back into here. Hold on a second, did it not save? There we go. Now we can see, Google is working right there. Everything's good, and that's a lot of fun. But let's just say we wanted to do something a bit different. If we want to add a title to it, this goes to Google. We come in there. As we hover over it, it says this goes to Google. This is kind of like the abbreviation tag that we used earlier in the tutorial. You hover over and it tells you where you're going. Now I could type something like earn millions here. Right? Have some clickbait going on. And we have that right there. Now that's cool. That's a fun feature. But what about something else? About an access key. Let's do something like J. Now what does an access key do? That means it depends if you're on a PC or a Mac. I did this on the Mac and I just figured this out, what the controls were for it. But say you don't want to click. Say your mouse just died or your trackpad just died and you need a maneuver between pages, right? So I'm setting J on my keyboard right here, and if I'm using Control and Option, I can make that link work without even clicking it. So I'm hitting Control and Option, I'm hitting J, and it fires it off. Awesome, fun stuff. That's links for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, all that other jazz, and I'll see you in the next awesome video.